Hey everyone, and welcome to this explainer. Today we're tackling something we literally all deal with, trying to stay connected when we're out and about. If you've ever been stuck with zero mobile data, desperately hunting for a signal, well, you're exactly where you need to be. We're going to break down exactly how you can easily find and connect to free public Wi-Fi using community shared passwords. Let's get right into it. Okay, let's dive into this. Picture your daily commute, or maybe you're traveling somewhere new. Are there locked Wi-Fi networks around you? Yeah, we absolutely all know the drill. You open your Wi-Fi settings, hoping for a quick, lucky connection, and boom, you're instantly staring at this massive list of nearby networks. But of course, almost every single one of them has that tiny, incredibly frustrating little padlock icon right next to it. They're just sitting there, teasing you with full signal bars that you just can't use. Section 1. The locked Wi-Fi problem. So, on one hand, we've got the current reality for most of us. Password required. Honestly, it perfectly captures that universal feeling of being totally locked out exactly when you need to send an urgent email or download a quick file. But on the flip side, we have our ultimate goal for this explainer: free access. The whole point of the source material we're looking at today is to build a very real, actionable bridge between these two things. It's all about empowering you to bypass that frustrating barrier and finally get the total relief of an instant free connection. Section 2. Finding the right app. And this brilliantly illustrates the exact chronological process you need to follow. Step 1, you'll actually need to turn on your mobile data, just for a second, to get things rolling. Step 2, head directly over to the Google Play Store. And Step 3 is really where the magic happens. Search for Connect Wi-Fi. Now, quick heads up from our sources, you might need to scroll down just a little bit to find the specific app designed for this. But it's a super simple, straightforward pathway to get this tool loaded right onto your phone. Section 3. Setup and permissions. Okay, so the absolute most critical step after you open the app is to grant it location permission. Now, you might be wondering, why does this app need to know exactly where I am? Well, by allowing location access, the app drops a pin on your exact spot on its map. This is what lets it instantly scan and show you all the available Wi-Fi networks in your immediate physical area. Without this permission, the app is essentially flying blind. It absolutely needs to know where you stand to tell you what's around you. Section 4. How to get passwords. Now, what's really interesting about this part is how incredibly simple it is to actually reveal the key. Let's walk through it together. Once the app shows you the nearby networks on its map, you just click on one of them. Next, tap the More Info option, and boom, right there, the hidden password is revealed to you. No way, right? From there, it's just standard procedure. You copy that password, head right back to your phone's regular Wi-Fi settings, select that exact same network, paste the password, and hit connect. It completely removes all the guesswork. Section 5. Benefits of public Wi-Fi. Let's move to and see how this builds. Actually, the crucial point here is that these are Wi-Fi networks that people have deliberately made public. I know, you might be thinking, how are all these passwords just sitting out there? Well, it's actually a massive community-driven ecosystem. The passwords you're seeing belong to networks at hotels, cafes, or public areas where people, or the businesses themselves, have willingly shared their access details specifically to help others out. It's basically a giant global directory of shared connectivity simply brought right to your fingertips. And that brings us to the end of our explainer. But I want to leave you with one quick question to think about. Where will you use your new free Wi-Fi hunting skills next? Whether you're traveling to a brand new city, sitting in your local coffee shop dealing with a really spotty connection, or just trying to save a little cash on your monthly data bill, you now understand the mechanics of finding these community shared networks. It is such a brilliant game changer for staying connected, and it's literally all right there waiting on your device. Thanks so much for joining me. Keep learning, keep connecting, and I'll see you next time.